everybody, this is Simi Bella again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a mini Nykaa haul. So recently Nykaa had a huge range of discounts over many products and many brands actually. So I got a couple of things. Also these are things that I have some idea for my next video. So you will find a lot of kajal in it. So this is the box. Yeah, so I'm unboxing it for the first time. I've not seen all the products, even though yeah, I ordered them, but still I have not seen them. I have opened this part because you know it's easier for me, otherwise they pack it so well that you have to literally use a knife. So this is how the products came in a package, and I am really pleased with the packaging because look how these are packaged. I mean, very good packaging. Anyways, so the first one is very simple. I really like, let me open this first. Oh, one more. Okay. So this is a Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo for straight and smoother hair. I really like this shampoo. It really gels on with my hair texture. Apart from Matrix that I use and the L'Oreal Spa, hair spa that I do every time, I also use this particular shampoo a lot. I really like this brand Tresemme because it's one of the brands that kind of suits my hair type. So I got it under such a good discount. This was originally for 420 rupees. This is a 580 ml big bottle. So it was for 420 rupees, but I got it for 291 rupees. It's such a great deal. The next things that I got are here in this product. I'll just open it up. Packed it so nicely. I finally opened it up. So these are things that I ordered, and let's see what I've got first. So first of all, I've got lots and lots of kajal. So I've got two colossal kajal. Everybody loves this one. Then I got one iconic. I don't know why is it torn on the top. I don't know, but it came in like this. I got one Lakme Iconic, and I got my favorite kajal as of right now. This is my favorite kajal, and these are the Faces kajal. This is called Magnetis kajal. So if you are using this or if you are using this, I mean these are good, but do give it a try. These are one of the best. It doesn't smudge, and I really am in love with them currently. So you can try this one as well. So I'll tell you the price of all of these things. So the colossal kajal is for 210 each. So this is for 210, this is for 210. Therefore you have a total amount of 420 rupees. But I got this one for only 295 rupees. So 420 rupees, I got it on discount for 295 rupees. Again, a great deal. If you are a very frequent kajal user, then of course it's a good time to buy and stock it up. The Faces was for 175 each. So these two are 175 each, means 350 rupees for two, but I got it for 242 rupees. So these were for 240 rupees around, but its actual price is 350 rupees. So I got two of these as well. And the last one is the Lakme kajal, which I don't know why, but it's torn from, I mean, some packaging mistake maybe. So this was for 210 rupees and I got it for 200 rupees. So not much of a discount, but because I have to do some video on it, and therefore I got this one as well. The next thing that I got is a Maybelline powder. This is the cheaper version. I mean, this is not expensive at all. This is for 275 rupees, but I got this one for 170 rupees. So again, a very good discount in Nykaa. So the packaging is very pretty. It is in baby pink, light pink color, and this is how it looks like in the back. And when you open it up, it is like, oh my god, you can see the camera. Okay, so it is like this. So I'll just show you by applying it. You'll exactly see how it looks like on the skin. So this is how it looks like. It has quite a nice coverage. Yeah. And you'll have to blend it out, of course, because right now I'm using this pathetic sponge which is of no use at all. So this is how evenly it spreads, and with a brush it is even better. Also, I really like the fact that it has a big wide mirror. So I really like this mirror. It is so wide that I can actually do my eye makeup, or I can touch up very easily. This is in the shade 03 Natural. So this is what I got last time as well, and it really blends well. So I really like this one. The last product that I want to show you is this Lakme CC cream. Now, people who must have seen my previous video, that is the 100 rupees under 100 rupees makeup challenge video, you must have seen me using a Lakme CC cream which was for 99 rupees. So this is the cream. Look at how much I have used it. I've squeezed it out and there is no product left in this one at all. This was a 9-gram pack and it was for 99 rupees. Lakme 95 CC cream. I loved this one so much. It is such a good CC cream that I bought the bigger tube, and this is for 325 rupees, but I got it on discount for 260 rupees. So this is how the cream looks like, and I really like it. I'll show you the texture. So yeah, so it has a lot of coverage, even though it's not a foundation, but it gives you a lot of coverage. So if you want it, you can also go ahead and buy this one. So these are all the products that I got from Nykaa. Yeah, I know that it comprised more of kajal, but you'll see why. So the point here is that Nykaa has a lot of good deals. So if you want to, you can go ahead and shop from there, stock up on whatever you like the best, and yeah, that's the way you can save money right now. On top of that, it's online, so and they delivered it so quickly. They delivered it within 3 days. I placed my order on Friday night, and Saturday Sunday of course it's not working days, so they delivered it on Tuesday. So Friday, Monday and Tuesday, 3 days, and they delivered the products. So I was really pleased with the speed of delivery as well. So thumbs up to Nykaa. I'm not paid to say all of these things. I genuinely like the website. Otherwise, I'm very skeptical about products, especially makeup products that I buy online, because you never know. So I hope you like the video. If you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun, interesting videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!